At the end of our competition, one of our fellow cubers accidentally broke his 4x4 cube. He really wanted to fix it before leaving, and of course, we couldn't leave a cuber behind. So a few of us got together and tried our best to put it back together. It took some time and teamwork and lots of focus. In the end, we did it. The cube was fixed and our friend was super happy. Here's a behind the scenes look at Operation 4x4. Enjoy!
I remember how I did it. I took
It was a fast time though, right?
I took this piece out and I started it. When I last did it, I think I did this. Yeah, I think you have to slide it in. Or try and slide it. Because you can slide it if you take this corner out. Hold on. Is it in? And now you can start putting it together so we can. Oh wait, hold on.
Also, these have to go into the insert also. Doesn't really matter if you insert around because this
I think it's 4x4, right?
It's a 4x4, so there's a lot of pairs.
Oh, hold on, you popped it out again. It's okay.
It's like we're gonna
You break your heart more. Come here. Take up more. They take out. I don't even listen. But I know they can fix it eventually. Maybe not today. No, it has to happen today.
No! It's over! Please be okay.
Alright, hold on. Focus. Patience. One at a time. Slowly. And where's the corner? Not bad. This one? Careful.
Yes, you can do it. Yes. Going there.
We can not do it.
It will.
Can you help?
Wait, I think I know.
Let's dig through it. I know it's the angle.
Let's open it a little bit. And put it in. Can you try it?
That's jamming with the
Hold on, I need to restore it back in the
Yes.
Yeah. 2 times.
Okay, Ethan, pay $100.
Yeah. Alright, so let's see if it's okay.
Yes.
Just give it a try.
Feel it.
Does it feel okay? No adjustment is needed. No one can help you at home.
Even better.
Even better? Oh, it's good that it broke. It popped.
Okay, alright.
Okay, that's a good one.
And you want to check if I think because of parity it should be okay.
Either just the corner first and the
Okay. Okay.